Alright, this video is about how to manually start in case you have a keypad go bad for Taft College. Anyways, the main power for the entire system resides right on this power sequencer, which is normally controlled by the keypad. But if you have a keypad failure, I'm going to supply a key with the tech department and the teachers. So you just simply need to turn the key over to the on position. Then the sequencer will power on, and then it's going to power on the switcher. You'll have to go through and manually power on all the screens. I'm going to do it with the keypad for now. And this is how the matrix is laid out. So input number 1 is the Blu-ray player, input 2 is the HDMI, input 3 is the Apple TV, output 1 is the dual display, and output 2 is the middle display. Once your sequencer is up and running, for now I'm going to make sure that the Apple TV is on. I'll turn on the Blu-ray player, and my laptop's plugged into the HDMI cable. So with output 1 being the Blu-ray player, input 1 being the Blu-ray player, you'll see 4 inputs and 2 outputs. So I'm going to pick 1, and then the output I want it to go to. Output 1 is the dual display, and with that, then you'll see the Blu-ray splash screen come up on the projector and the TV. Now, if I want to switch it to HDMI, the HDMI plate, which is input 2, orange means that it sees a signal, green means that it's routed somewhere. So I'm going to take input 2 and send that to 1, and just give it a moment, and that's my laptop splash screen, which is showing up. And if I take input 3, output 1, now I'm switching that to Apple TV, and the center one's already on Apple TV. So, and that's how you switch your inputs to your outputs. Volume control is not going to be available because the processor controls this device, but you'll be able to power on the system. You'll be able to power on the monitors with the remote controls or by manually pressing the power buttons. Sony and Apple will work the same. And then to power off the system, just move the key over to the off position and it will power it down.